we get into this video, I just want to jump on here, say a few things about why I've been gone. I've been gone for a while due to unforeseen issues, but we are back. You know, I'm still trying. You know, that's the thing here. We always try. Stick around to see how I got muffed up to this point. Get a drink, some snacks, and watch us get back into the grind. Y'all will see us in the next few clips. What's up, guys? Welcome back, Tyler Mischief Channel. Hope all is well out there and a happy new year. It is snowing, as you can see, and we're about to take the Z out on a little bit of a snow drifting adventure. So come with us and we'll see you in the next clip.
It is snowing, it is snowing. You're going to stop, buddy. Alright, we out here. Leaving Fayetteville right now. On the way to find a spot to hit real quick so we can get some interior footage. And then I will try to get a couple shots of out of the car with the tripod. Got something screeching up here. I don't know what it is. Alright, we're coming up on all the stores right now. We did just pass a cop. He was going towards Fayetteville. So we just gonna be careful, you know what I'm saying? Squeaky, squeak, squeaky, squeaky, squeak. I don't know what that is. Let's go by Popeyes, Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm not gonna make that. And now I'm not gonna have enough speed to get in there probably. Some biscuits. He just ruined my whole plan. Well, all send. Yeah, we got that. Second gear. we're down in the grass. E-brake. See me, see me, see me. Cool. Everything's good. Temps are good. The highway isn't too bad down there. It looks all right. From what I'm seeing. Yeah, you can kind of see. He's alright for the most part. Be careful out there today, guys. As you can see over there, there's 81. Oh, we're in the middle of the road. Buggy. E-brake. Just to let you guys know, go hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, so you're notified when I make new videos. Trying to catch up and get consistent. But yeah, smash that subscribe button out there. Honda. Oh, he's all over the place. You better watch it there, bud. Watch your little Honda. Oh. They were giving the thumbs up. Train track. Little left foot braking. Stuck down here. Huh. Alright guys, so leave me a comment down below if you guys like this view better than the POV view behind the wheel. So let me know that, and I like it or if you don't like it. Appreciate it. Back to it. RG like my dog. The sim translate. Yes, it translates over to real life. Next to the guardrail, boys and girls. He did. Gear synchro is out. Fucked up my arm. Hit that follow button, subscribe button, whatever. Hit it all. Let's go. I fucking slid right into the fucking ground. Oh. Alright, we're on the way to Henry Lane. Out here by my aunt and uncle's. It's a nice, modgy road, but we gotta be really careful because we don't want to slip out into the freaking field and get stuck. So we gotta be really on point with this. But it goes up over there. You guys can see. Great. Hopefully nobody's coming over this hill. Taking our chances, stay in our lane. Yeah, we're good. whole thing. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at all the snow up in there right now. Holy shit. Damn. We were out there getting it. Y'all will see here later after I get done editing, probably in the next, yeah, probably not tonight, probably tomorrow or Wednesday. We'll get it out to you guys, but make sure to hit that follow button or subscribe button. It's not follow over here, it's follow on TikTok. This is subscribe. My hand, wrist, whatever is fudged up. You'll see that blooper of my dumb self out here. Yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button for stupidity, drifting, mischief. Yeah, whatever. We're out here doing our thing, carrying on the mischief from when I was a little kid until I die, you know? Hit the like button too. Forgot to say that. Like button, subscribe button, follow on TikTok. There we go.
There it is. I've been out of the game for about 6 weeks due to a wrist break. Was in a cast. Now I'm stuck in a splint, as you guys can see. Not sure why I chose to run on snowy ice and try to slide into my camera. Decisions were made, but I've learned a valuable lesson through all this. Content brained a little bit too much? Yeah, definitely. It's time to focus on getting a 9-to-5 job. The lives aren't really cutting it with financially, so we need to get a 9-to-5 job, like I'm saying, to get the funds up to make it better content for you guys. That's basically it, guys. I'm gonna keep streaming here soon directly. I'm gonna get on there within the next day or so. The arm's feeling a lot better, so I will see you guys shortly on the TikTok, and I will be back here on the YouTube within a week, maybe 2 weeks, to make another video for you guys. So peace out. I love y'all.
Bye.